Hello guys, welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. I hope you've been great, and for today's video we are going to be transforming this light, this is our kitchen light, into a recessed light. So just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. Like our video, comment down below and share. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, this is your chance to subscribe. More content is on your way. And for this year, we are going to be trying to make or to put 2 videos a week. Enjoy the video. So as you can see on the screen, I'm going to be operating on this 48 watts bulb. It's a normal bulb, but it's not going to be so normal after this video because I'm going to modify it. I'm going to cut some parts out, and as you will see in the video, I'm going to be doing a lot of things with it until I get a recessed light. So I'm going to use this saw to cut some parts out. Just watch the video, follow all the steps that I've followed, so that if you want to try this, you can do it on your own. And if you like this kind of content where we do such DIYs, we transform things, we do makeovers and more DIYs, yeah, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. After cutting some parts out, this is the shape or this is the type of the recessed light that I was looking for, and I think this is the perfect size that I want. So after here I'm just going to spray paint the light, and then after that I'm going to be fixing it. This small plastic that I'm cutting out here is the one that I'm going to be using to mount the recessed lights up there. So it's going to assist me, or it is going to hold the bulb of the recessed light. Just watch the video and you will understand its work. But if you want to really understand or to get the full information on how to mount the recessed lights up, just tell me in the comment section or just ask. I will answer all the questions, or I will make a small video explaining on how to mount these lights, because most of the videos I usually don't give all the details. But if you want to know all the details about how to mount the lights, just tell me in the comment section below, and I will do a small video explaining on how to mount them. And if you're liking the video till this far, make sure that you have already liked the video, comment down below, and make sure that you have already subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload another video. Thank you.